Welcome to PATIL'S Academy for Competitive Study. Now we will learn how to solve linear equations into variables by Cramer's rule method. So here we have two linear equations 3x plus y equal to 13 and x plus 2y equal to 6. We have to solve these equations using Cramer's rule method. So let us start. The given simultaneous equations are 3x plus y equal to 13. This is your first equation. And x plus 2y equal to 6. It is second equation. Now we will compare these simultaneous equations with a1 x plus b1 y equal to c1 and a2 x plus b2 y equal to c2. We get a1 equal to 3. b1 equal to 1 and c1 equal to 13. And a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to 6. We know that d as determinant equal to a1, a2 and b1, b2. We are going to put the values of a1, a2 and b1, b2. So when we solve this determinant we get 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1. It means 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Now we will find the value of dx. In the form of determinant dx is equal to c1, c2 and b1, b2. So we will put the values. Now we will find the value of the determinant. dx is equal to 13 into 2 minus 1 into 6. So it is 26 minus 6 equal to 20. Now you will find the value of dy, as determinant dy is a1, a2 and c1, c2. We are going to put the values, and we will solve this determinant. dy equal to 3 into 6 minus 13 into 1. It means that 18 minus 13 equal to 5. Thus we got all the values of determinants. Now we will find the values of the variables. X is equal to dx upon d. So x is equal to 20 divided by 5. It means x is equal to 4. Similarly, y is equal to dy upon d. So y is equal to 5 upon 5, which is equal to 1. Thus the value of x is 4 and value of y is 1.